Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. I'm sure seniyibonile indaba zikaMbekezeli Mbokazi, i-defender Orlando Pirates ke bafethu ikhiphile umbiko namhlanje regarding umjida. There were speculations regarding his contract with iChicago FC. Yabo abantu abaningi ade bebuza ukuthi kahle kahle njengoba ezosayinwa le club uzodlala eminyaka emingaki. Baconfirmile ke namhlanje sibamsayinile, but ke ngizonifila ini ukuthi kahle kahle umjida njengoba bemsayina uzodlala eminyaka emingaki. Yabo njengoba nje bezomsayina right now, he will occupy the under 22 slot. Yabo njengoba eyodlala as an international player. His play as an international player and uzongena kule slot le i-international roster position. Umjida ke njengoba ena 20 nje uthole i-contract ye 20-year-old and i-contract yakhe izorana through 2029 with the club option for the 2029 and 2030 season. So uzosayina nje from right now u-2025 until u-2029. Umjida ke bafethu kuningi asazokuzuza lapha, and it looks like i-contract yakhe ngempela izomsiza kakhulu because kunemali lapha. Yabo ngezwe nje kuthiwa ngenzeka ohole imali engango 1 meter ngenyanga. Yabo 1 meter kuyale ngaphezulu ngenyanga. I hope umjida izomhambela kahle ke izinto njengoba eyodlala le USA, even though ngasiyona i-move yabo abantu abaningi abebemfisela yona, but ke it's a stepping stone for a player like uMbekezeli Mbokazi, because going to i-AFCON, I feel like i-AFCON izokwazi ukuthi umjida imsize kakhulu ukuthi ayibonakalise ukuthi he is a very very good defender, and nayo iChicago FC uma nje bisimsayinile nje njengamanje and umenza kahle ku-AFCON, ama-team amaningi azofika ayongqongqoza kuyona iChicago FC. So I think iOrlando Pirates inayo i-option, inayo i-clause yokuthi i-sell-on clause. Ingalento leyo abayibiza i-sell-on clause, umdlali emeqhubeka esayinwa amanye ama-team. Leyo nto leyo iOrlando Pirates inalo i-percent, I'm sure inalo i-percent kuMbekezeli Mbokazi njengoba esehamba nje kuOrlando Pirates. Let's say mhlawumbe usayine i-team yase-France noma i-team yeku-Premier League, iOrlando Pirates izothola i-percent lemali, yabo. So njengoba ezohamba ke, I hope bayifakile kwi-contract yakhe leyo mpahla leyo. I feel like iChicago FC ihlakaniphelile le ndaba le, ihlakaniphelile because they knew ukuthi the player like uMbokazi uma ngase ekodlala ku-AFCON noma kwi-World Cup uzofika adlale kahle kakhulu mase bonwa ama-team amakhulu, mase funa ukumsayina ngemali eningi. Yabo, it's a good thing, it's a stepping stone. I know it's not a good league for a player, a young player, a young prospect like uMbokazi, but ke it's a good thing ukuthi umjida uzoyijoyina atholele imali mase yadlula eye phambili. Yabo, angazi ke when, how do you feel? But ke ngokwami akekho mnandi, but ke yabo, I'm happy at the same time. Akekho mnandi, but I'm happy at the same time ukuthi umjida uyahamba uyaphesheya ukuthi uMbekezeli Mbokazi awusukana madoda.